This question might look a bit daunting at first. We're trying to find all the different circuits that we can make where we visit every square but in a closed loop. So one option would be to just try and see if it's possible at all. Another option, this is what I did, is like pick a square in the corner and just start to think about how we could visit that square. Now, the only way we can visit this one that I've started with is if we enter or exit through this edge and then the opposite through this edge. Okay, there's no other way I can get to it. There's only these two squares that are adjacent, so I have to go along that route. So this is going to be my starting point. So if I now pick up the route, I'm going to have to come down here. Now, if I want to visit this square here, then the same process is going to occur. I'm going to have to go right now to get into this square, otherwise there's no way I'll be able to do it. And then I'm going to have to enter or exit through here. And then the same argument is made down here. And then I'm going to have to go left. And then the only way that I can now visit this square is if I go up. And I'm going to have to go to the left. So I've already got like that. I must follow this route. Picking up the blue route, I'm then going to have to go left along here. And then there's only like two edges on this square. So I'm going to have to carry on here and then go down. Okay. Now, if I just focus away from things and maybe focus on this square, then again, there's only these two options here. And then that leaves me just an option here. There's only these two edges here, so I'm gonna have to go there and then there. So the question is, how many can I make more than one route from this? Because I can see one way that I can do it. So at this point, I might just double up my picture. Right, now I could connect here, or I could avoid connecting here and go along. So those are my two options at this point. And then on this one, I'm going to have to then go here, here, here. So this is a possible route. If I went to the left instead, the question is, can I now connect? And I'm now going to have to go down and then connect here. So we see this also works, and there are two possible circuits. I think that's quite a solid line of reasoning. Start somewhere, especially noticing that some squares are only adjacent to two squares, so you can definitely draw those in. You can draw them in separately if you want. I decided to just start somewhere and then carry on as far as I could. I then got to the point where actually there were options. I looked at the two different options and I found that they both worked. Really nice question. Well done.